So continuing with the part one, so we have changed the background a little bit. So it's the stadium, cricket stadium. So I think it's look nice. So uh, I'm continuing with the previous video. So what can you share some of your hobbies?
Yes. So I am a badminton lover. I love badminton. Before coming here, I never played it, but because of my PhD life, because you will feel the stress and you would want to develop some habit or activity which you can do each and every day, irrespective of how your day was in the lab, whether your thing was not working. So I decided I will play badminton, and I've been playing it for 2-3 years, and I really enjoy it. So it gives me a dopamine boost. So this is one of my habits. Other thing is that I learned cooking after lockdown. So I occasionally cook in the weekends, and I enjoy cooking. And I have also developed a habit of listening to interviews of people who I feel are more smarter than me in the areas in which I want to work. And I like self growth. So I like to listen to people who basically tell you that life is suffering, you accept it, and you try to bear it by accepting the responsibility of your life, and that is the best bet or best antidote to the suffering of life. So these are my hobbies, and apart from research, and that is how my day ends.
So apart from doing research, did you take any part in competition held at IISER Pune?
Yes, so I had taken part in a running competition which is organized every year. I had taken part in that. I have also taken part in something called Step Up Challenge, in which you had to cover maximum distance possible in 2 weeks. So I think it was 2 years ago. I competed there, and I stood first. I think it was around 285 kilometers in 2 weeks. I really had gone mad because I really wanted to prove to myself that I can push my limits if I want to, and I wanted to prove to myself that it would give me confidence that whatever happens in my life, whatever problem I face, if I want to solve it, I'll be able to solve it. And since I told you I loved badminton, so me, Akash from the previous video, and one of my friends Tushar, we were the coordinators of IBL last year, and we organized the tournaments, and we played in IISER Badminton League, which is the tournament which happens here, and we competed in those competitions mostly. Yeah, I've also competed in maybe essay writing or poetry, something like that once. So these are the competitions in which I had taken part.
So how's the IISER Pune campus? So it's it's very small. It's about 98 acre, which is very small from all the IISER. So do you feel it's very small, or you enjoyed the campus?
See, I find this campus very mesmerizing because for me, the whole point of campus is that it should have greenery, it should have more trees, the temperature should be low, and I should be able to walk. So in that sense, I find this to be a good campus. Like, I don't need a cycle to go from one place to other. Obviously, I can just walk to from my hostel to main building where we basically work in 10-15 minutes, and everything is very accessible. And if you run around the campus, it's around 2.5 kilometer circumference, so it is very accessible, and I like it, for me personally.
Yeah, the campus is very nice. So do you like to share your future plan?
So I would like to continue in academia, and I would try to do research. This is what I'm thinking right now. Like, I always try to plan not very far ahead, but not very like not very short. So I'm thinking in maybe 1 or 2 years, I would try to pursue a postdoc and see how it goes.
Yeah, so you can apply outside. So in foreign, you must get a good postdoc, and after that you can continue as a researcher
Right.
or joining as a professor in 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 India.
Right. People, mostly people do 1, 2, 3 postdocs, and like if there is an opening and you clear the interview for the faculty, then you like join as a faculty in some institute. Mostly for the research institutes, I'm talking.
Yeah, so you can join there and you can continue your research, and you
Yes.
will continue your research. It's a very nice plan. Okay, so thanks guys for watching this video, and I would like to thank Mayank Sharma for being a part of this interview series.
Thank you so
Thanks.
much.